Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how I made this full wig using the expression attachment. Yes, you heard me right, the synthetic expression attachment. I also decided to play with a bit of color to see how it looks on me. I think it is not bad at all. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, do not go away, keep on watching.
You know it's okay.
So guys, this is the type of wig cap I will be using, and I will be using a pack of expression. It has been cut and dragged. So now let's get started. So I'll be sewing this closure, this lace closure on the front part of it. I've done it. So the next step is to start crocheting. So I will start from the back by using my crochet pin, which is this.
Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. Hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Oh na na, bum 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 boy. Oh na na, na 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 na. Oh na na, bum 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 boy. Oh na na. Are you feeling my way? 'Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama say it's okay.
So we are at the front part now, which is very tricky. I'm going to crochet it in a way to make it look natural as possible. I'm going to get a needle and thread the extension just like this. Just watch what I'm doing, guys. Then I'm going to pass it through the lace like this. It's a bit tricky, but it is achievable, and it takes a lot of time, guys. It is not easy. You just have to be patient to do these parts.
Go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me, house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
So guys, I am done with the crocheting at the front. As you can see, it looks like a real lace wig. You can use a concealer or a foundation to blend the line to make it look natural and blend with your skin, or you can decide to leave it like that. Next, I'm just going to flat tongue it a bit and trim it.
Baby, you know it's okay. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine Westerner.
Guys, do you actually know this is my first time of making this type of wig? I actually love a challenge, so I decided to do this wig to test myself. So here I'm just trying to blend it a bit to match with my skin color. You can decide to leave it like I said. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.